Welcome back, health enthusiasts and curious minds alike. Have you ever wondered how a simple molecule like hydrogen can combat the harmful free radicals in your body? Today, we dive into the fascinating world of molecular hydrogen and its role in eliminating these harmful elements. Free radicals, they sound dangerous, don't they? Well, they can be. These are atoms that possess unpaired electrons. This lack of a pairing causes them to be unstable and can lead to damage to our DNA and cell membranes. But where do these free radicals come from? They're not invaders from a microscopic universe, but are actually formed due to factors we encounter in our everyday lives. Heat, light, pollutants, and toxins can all lead to the formation of free radicals. These harmful free radicals can wreak havoc on our bodies. They have the potential to damage lysosomal membranes, DNA, and cell membranes. This damage can contribute to a variety of diseases, making it crucial for us to neutralize them. Enter antioxidants, our body's superhero team. These compounds step in to supply the missing electrons that free radicals are desperate for, thereby neutralizing them and supporting our immune system. Among these antioxidants, a star player emerges, molecular hydrogen, or H2. This small yet mighty molecule is a potent antioxidant that can penetrate deeply into our cells, reaching where others cannot. So, how does molecular hydrogen work its magic? When we drink hydrogen-rich water, our bodies quickly absorb H2. This rapidly absorbed hydrogen then gets to work preventing cellular damage without causing any toxicity. But molecular hydrogen isn't a brute force warrior. Instead, it's a smart and strategic fighter. H2 has the unique ability to selectively target the most harmful free radicals, neutralizing them and promoting a balanced level of free radicals within our bodies. This not only prevents damage, but enhances our body's protective functions. So there you have it, the remarkable role of molecular hydrogen in fighting against toxic free radicals. In our next episode, we'll delve into practical ways you can incorporate this powerful antioxidant into your everyday life for improved health. Until then, keep your curiosity piqued and your health in check. Stay tuned.